Okay, so welcome to this last part of our tutorial for this blog website. Do anything you don't understand, you can see ask questions. So let's check our website, how it looks like now after deleting all the post and the. So this is how the website looks like. This was the scheme of work. So this is how the website now looks like. So you can go ahead and edit and add so many other things you want to. So like I told you guys, I'll be giving you I'll show you how to get this this theme. Getting this theme from ThemeForest is about $59. Like I showed you guys that video, to get it in is about $15. But you can check on the comment section on this particular video. Check on the comment section of this particular video. You will see the link how to get this theme, and the thing goes for just 2,000 naira only. 2,000 naira only. With the dollar rates now in Nigeria, or thereabout, I think dollar is about 700 or 600, I don't know. So calculate it times $59, so you know it's a huge amount of money. So but I'm just giving you the theme for almost for free, for just 2,000 naira only. With your 2,000 naira you can get the theme and build this awesome website. So I have other themes also, so you can actually get those themes also. So I'll be dropping the link to get the theme. For just this theme is just for the first 10 people. That was how I set it, for the first 10 people. So if probably you're not among the 10 people, the price will actually go up to 10,000 naira. So you just need to get your team now and build your awesome website. So I'll be giving you guys assignments on this project, how to build a blog website. So for me to know that you understand everything that has been taught in this video. So if you have any question, like I said, always ask question. Drop your question on the comment section. I'll be glad to reply you back. Thanks and enjoy the rest of the tutorial. Bye.